Hello, good morning guys. You're seeing me in my rarest form. Today I will be taking you guys along with me. I'll be doing luxury shopping in Paris and in London. I also did something really crazy. I booked an Hermes appointment. It got approved on Saturday evening. Then I booked a Eurostar to come to Paris just for the day for 24 hours so that I could hopefully pick up the bag of my dreams. I would love to score something very special from Hermes, fingers crossed. Today's Monday. I'll be taking you guys along to Paris with me. I'm jumping on the Eurostar this morning. I'll get to Paris by about 12. I'll get back to London by about 11 p.m. So, I mean, it's gonna be quite a full day of luxury shopping. Who doesn't love a whole day of luxury shopping? There are a few other things that I'd like from other brands like Balenciaga, DIOR, Mara, Chanel, Fendi. So I'll be taking you guys along so that you can see some of the things that I will also be picking up, as well as hopefully this huge Hermes purchase. I'm literally running so late. I set my alarm, I snoozed. I don't even have time to do my makeup right now. I'm just gonna shower, jump on the Eurostar, do my makeup in the Eurostar, and then yeah. So I will see you guys at St. Pancras. Look, the DIOR on Avenue Montaigne is under renovation, so apparently they're gonna make it into a restaurant and a garden, but it's gonna take 2 years. But it looks really nice though, doesn't it? I mean, what they've done so far. So I've literally just finished from Jimmy Choo. There are these boots that I want. So now I'm going to Balenciaga and where else? Balenciaga and Fendi, that's it. Okay. And I've still got about 2 hours till my appointment. 3 actually, so let's go. This is the shot I wanted to get. So tired, but I'm so happy. I got the bag of my dreams. And so guys, I'm currently inside Mara. I'm trying on their new collection. Can you see the teddy coats? They have like all these different colors, so I'm gonna try on the turquoise. Selection of teddy coats, the camel. I like this color actually. attend one of the Mara shows, which is really nice. My essay is super lovely, so thank you. Which one do you prefer? So this is obviously my bag. This is the coconut. I think this is so cute. Let me show you. Look, with my outfit. How cute is that? Let me try. So cute.
Yes.
But yeah, I think it's just this stands out. Literally the best afternoon in Louis Vuitton. They're so friendly. My essay is so lovely. She's invited me back in 2 weeks for an afternoon lunch. So yeah, I'm getting a trunk, also getting a scarf, and then maybe a coat as well, but we'll see. I think Louis Vuitton prices are quite reasonable.
The prices are reasonable.
Yeah. I love the red interior.
I love red too.
But do you prefer the red or the burgundy?
Me personally, I would go for red.
Guys, Louis Vuitton is doing personalized painting. Stunning. Look at this one. The luggage. I had to get one. I use this as well. So nice. Yeah, that's lovely. Okay, okay. You guys come now. Thank you. Thank you so much. No problem. Thank you. I'm officially back in the UK. The star of the entire show is something in this very, very gorgeous orange bag. So make sure you subscribe. I've actually done quite a lot of luxury shopping in a short space of time because usually I have a wish list and then I just get everything that I need, and that's me done basically for the rest of the year. Going to Paris, I actually realized everything that I bought was extremely cheaper than in the UK. So I think that's probably what I'm going to be doing from now on, like once or twice a year. Get my luxury wish list, go to Paris, buy everything in like a day or two and then come back. It's worked out like so much cheaper. If you guys want to see all of the stuff that I got, please let me know and I'll hopefully put it in another video so that you can see the luxury autumn winter things that I have new in. And just so you guys are aware, I was able to quickly visit Hermes in Paris because I do work and live in London, so I was able to just get an appointment, get on the Eurostar and come straight back, so it was quite convenient. But if you guys want to know like the full process on, you know, how I got like an Hermes bag, spoiler alert, but yeah, that everything will be in my next video. My experience was like so pleasant in Hermes. Like there are just so many bad reviews, but I had a really good experience. My sales associate was absolutely lovely. I rarely get like really bad service or really rude sales associates. Just go in, be yourself, and worst case scenario, don't shop from a brand if you feel like they're not offering you the service that you deserve. As a consumer, just remember you have the power. Also, another thing that I've started to do, all of the runways like autumn, winter, spring, summer, pre-collection, all of the runways, if I do not see an accurate representation of females on the runway, whether that's in skin tones, in shape sizes, I purposely decided to not shop with that brand. I've recently fallen in love with Mara. Like there was a particular black model that they had on the runway. I literally bought the whole outfit, you know. So at the end of the day, I'm the consumer, I have the power. So yeah, don't let anyone ever make you think less of yourself. That's really not how the luxury shopping should be. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe so that you don't miss my next video and the videos after that. Hit that thumbs up if you love luxury videos, if you love luxury hauls, and lastly, hit that notification bell. Guys, you really don't want to miss what's coming up in the next few videos. As I said before, stay tuned for my next video. Guys, you don't want to miss it. It's going to be my unboxing, my Hermes unboxing video. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching and I'll see you all next time. Bye bye.